Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we have a brand new case. We got the Hotwheels M Case, and I still do have another L case on its way. So this one actually came in a lot faster than I realized. So we're gonna go ahead and bust it open, but it's, like I said, the M Case for 2023. Let's just go ahead and cut the seals here. We're pretty much cutting the tape. There we go, spin it around. Get this side. And then down the top. Alright, so let me go ahead and lay this down on the side carefully because I don't want to damage anything inside. And also, it is starting to rain outside, so if you guys hear anything and you're like, what the heck is that sound? That's what that is. Hopefully it doesn't start raining too bad while I'm trying to film this video. But let's go ahead and start on the top. These are kind of wedged in here pretty snug. So we've got a big card, I guess, to start off with. Oh, okay, it's not really just a car, that's a plane. So we got the Poison Arrow, the Volvo P1800 Gasser, and the Batmobile, and that's finished in a really interesting gold, or a black with a gold reflection. Alright, so I'm also seeing lightning here, so hopefully the power doesn't go out while I'm trying to film this, but if it does, then we'll move on. But right off the bat, we actually got the treasure hunt. So we got the time shifter right there, and it actually says treasure hunt delivery right there on the side. And then let me go ahead and can't really move too much, but right behind the car, I don't know if you guys can see the text there, really small print. And then there should be, oh yeah, right on the door, you have the giant treasure hunt logo right there. So that is super awesome, and that actually looks really cool. And the whole roof and everything is all kind of like a transparent yellow. So that's a really interesting car. So yeah, right off the bat, the second pull out of the case, and we got the treasure hunt. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And then the other two cars, we have the 2010 Camaro SS, and then we have the really awesome Falcon race livery, the 07 Ford Mustang. Alright, so next we have another Volvo P1800 Gasser, the Ducati Desert X, another Batmobile. Ooh, heck yeah! So this is a good pull. So we got a 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, finished in a really nice black. But we also got another 1994 Toyota Supra from the Fast and the Furious, and it is the tuned Supra. So that looks really cool. I was actually hoping to get another one of these to maybe open up and race on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, because that would be really cool to have the real scale version and then have the little tuned version. But then we also have another Batmobile. Ooh, this is also another really cool pull. So this case has a lot of cool stuff. So the 2018 Honda Civic Type R with that really cool police livery. And we did see a similar design in the past with older cars. It's actually really cool to get that. The Fiat 500e in red, and then a 73 Honda Civic Custom. Alright, so we have another Falcon 07 Ford Mustang, the Koenigsegg Gemera finished in yellow, and a Tesla Roadster finished in a really nice orange. So I might have to bust open one of these because I want to add some Teslas, especially some cool Teslas like the Roadster, to my 6-lane raceway and be able to race those. Alright, so ooh, got some really cool cars coming out. This is a Turbine Sublime. But this one right here, the 1973 Jeep J10. So that's actually really cool. It's like a big, giant off-road variant. And this is, I see, a brand new casting for 2023. So that actually looks really cool. And it has 2 spare tires there in the back. And then we also have the Ice Shredder. Alright, so next we have the Hot Wired. And then the Rimac Navara finished in white. We did previously see that in blue. And then another Trouble Decker. We did see that in the previous case. Okay, so we got the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, and then the 2024 GMC Hummer EV, and this one is from the Barbie movie, which I have not seen the movie, but it has like these lightning bolts and stuff down the side, so that actually looks pretty cool. And we also have the Lolux. Heck yeah, so we got another Batmobile, but we got the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, but this is one of my favorite Hot Wheels. It is the fast bed hauler, and obviously it is a Hot Wheels kind of car hauler, and then even the back can move and go down like a ramp. So that actually looks really cool, and this color combo looks really nice with like that maroon and gold. Alright, so then we have the Brick and Speed, the Surf Duty, and the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, finished in silver. And then we have the Batmobile, a Mustang NHRA funny car, and then a Highway Hauler 2. And that is it for the first half of this M case. Pull out the divider. Let's go ahead and get started with the top of the bottom half. I can already feel a cracked blister, so hopefully it's nothing of value. And okay, we are good. So there's a head gasket, a Volkswagen ID Buzz, and this one had that cracked blister there in the front, but it's the Baja Bison T5. Ooh, okay, we got some good colors from this one. So we got the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. We did see that in a blue Golf livery, which is a traditional, but now we got it there with the white and still the Golf livery. Got a 1976 Chevy Chevette, which I'm actually not too sure what that is. It is like a, it's like a little hatch thing. That's actually the first time I've seen that, and it is. And they have made a casting of it before because it's not new for this year. So that's actually pretty interesting. And then we have another Volkswagen ID Buzz. And you guys can probably hear the rain is now picked up and is hidden the window. So yeah. Alright, so then we have the Erkenstein Rod, BMW i8 Roadster in black, and then another Surf Duty. Alright, so another Mercedes SEC AMG, the 560. We got Lotus Emira, and that's actually finished in a nice kind of dark gray metallic. And then the Toyota Land Cruiser 80. Alright, so we got another DMC DeLorean, and this is the same color as the previous case, in like that matte blue. The 2010 Camaro SS. And the Volvo XC40 Recharge. That actually looks really interesting. It has a really cool kind of off-road design. That's actually a really cool car. Alright, so we have another Lolux. Another 73 Honda Civic Custom. And then the Jackhammer. That's pretty interesting. Alrighty. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So another Cloak and Dagger, which before we did see that in black. Another Lotus Emira. And a 73 Jeep J10. Okay, so then we have a 64 Chevy Nova wagon. Another Volvo XC40 Recharge. And then another Jackhammer. Oh, and we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt because the Mighty K was the Super Treasure Hunt for the case, and that is the regular version. And honestly, that would look super, super cool as the Super. Unfortunately, we did not get it in this video, but maybe I'll have another M case coming, so definitely stay tuned. But let's go ahead and finish off the case because there are some pretty awesome cars to come, like this Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0 and this Toyota Land Cruiser 80. Alright, so we have the Nissan Leaf Nismo, another Batmobile, and then the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. And this one was the Supra for the previous case, which if you guys have not seen that video, I actually did pull out the Supra from the L case, so definitely go check that out on my channel. That was, honestly, I was completely shocked and did not expect it, so it's pretty funny. Oh, we got one of my favorites coming up. So we got the DMC DeLorean, but the 2020 Toyota Tacoma finished in white with blue wheels. And there was a request recently for me to race some Toyota trucks. So that right there might actually be one that I might bust open and race on the 6-lane raceway. But then we also have the Clip Coupe finished in a cool red, white, and blue design. Or the Coupe Clip. And then the final three for this case, three generics here. We got another Erkenstein rod, the Track Manga, and another head gasket. So that was actually pretty interesting. We got some really cool cards with that. That Fast and Furious Supra, was pretty happy to see that back in the M case. But also the regular treasure hunt, that was super excited to pull. And it was like right off the bat. So that was really awesome. But if you guys do want to see other videos like this, hit that subscribe button because I do a lot of case unboxings. And especially with these full cases. Like I said, I did just recently pull a Super Treasure Hunt from an L case. And I have another L case coming. And possibly another M case. But I do have new cases coming every single time one comes out. And then sometimes I get multiples. So there's definitely a lot more videos to come. I do have a bunch of other videos. So definitely hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on all these awesome Hot Wheel videos. But if you guys like this video specifically, hit that like button. Also let me know like what cars maybe you want to see race on the 6-lane raceway. And to do in some upcoming tournaments. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.